From 50% in the pre-market, now just 10%. Is that manipulation? What's going on, guys? We got halted so many times, and we got one halt at the start of the market open today. It broke everything. We're going to discuss in today's video, are we going to have a reversal where the buying pressure will happen? And many of you asking, Donald Trump won the election and DJT went down. What's going on? The squeeze didn't happen yet. The 50% is just a tickle, guys. Trust me, this is just a tickle. If the price held the current support that we're going to discuss today and break one resistance, this will be the ignition before the atomic bomb will ignite. Okay, so hit the like, subscribe, and of course join us for tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time for our live streaming where we discuss DJT live as we discuss it today. And of course we're going to discuss early live streaming for our Hunter on Discord and Bitchon, where we go live every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time. And yesterday, guys, we discussed DJT before the short that opened and got halted down. Look at this chart. It was yesterday around, of course, here, if you live in Europe, it was around 1748, or after we finish our live streaming, we said there is a hidden seller around the 40.55. The price went down, and we said the bottom 31.56, and we reversed from it. And of course, it was a really good entry. The other swing trade that we did before is Palantir, which jumped almost 30%. It was perfect timing because after the election, although the market was green, and this is make Palantir to jump much more. So let's dive deeper. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our discussion ambition. But now, the most important thing, where the price will go for DJT. Is that it? Is that over? After we broke from this flag, what's going on? Is Elon Musk already took his profit, or even Trump took his profit? Let's dive deeper and discuss the psychology behind what's happened for today, and we learn from it. Always there is a learning experience from any problem. For here, we have a problem of short sellers. First, guys, let us discuss the selling pressure that happened in the pre-market. Then we're going to discuss where the price will go, okay? It's like you go into your doctor and tell them, I need the cure. No, he will tell you what make you sick in the first place in order to not make it again. So if you eat sugar and whatever you eat, or you're smoking, you have to know the precaution of that before telling you to take the medicine. If you take the medicine before you know what's the problem that get you there, you're gonna make a problem again. It's like you can take the medicine of, or you go to the dentist and the dentist fix your teeth, then you go back and eat chocolate and sugar and whatever. I like dark chocolate, guys. This is my weakness. But even though if you don't know how the problem came from, you're gonna make the mistake again. So here we have to go back in time and discuss what went wrong. For DJT, guys, what went wrong is the bag holders. Here, where we triggered a lot of people who bought before the squeeze, before the election, was at the end of October there. We were 7 days down, and then when we tested almost the all-time high that we had before, we have ignited short selling in the pre-market. Guess what? In the pre-market, we got holded. So many of you said that the price in the pre-market was over the 54. So let me know in the comment section below, a new broker, what the price you saw in after hours yesterday or today in the pre-market. For me, I see the 54.99 or just before the 55. Let me know in the comment section below what's the price you saw for DJT hit or triggered in the pre-market. Okay, for now we have triggered first bag holders, second short sellers, and of course the other one, the people who already bought yesterday and they were up big time, 50%. So it's tempting to hold. Of course, nobody held, and that's why the price went down. And again, the other level that we should have held at the market open, it is around the 42. Right now, let us go for the other triggered that triggered the short seller coming in and the price go down. The second thing is breaking the support at the market open with a haltation. Let me just show you what's happened, guys. Here, we got halted with LUDP halt triggered around this candle. I calculate the candle and it's not 10% down. If you want to get halted, one of the rule is to jump up or down 10% in less than 5 minutes. And if we see here for the trade and halt for DJT, we got halted with LUDP, and which is volatility trading pulse. And if you go on Google, yes, we'll tell you it should be up or down 10% volatility for less than 5 minutes. For this one, guys, is not even 10%. So we see a bit of kind of manipulation. What you can call it whatever you want, because this level of short that make the short seller or make people panic, it is what triggered the price to go down and hold twice. So I don't like what's happened here. Once we got halted, guys, and the market open, we could have actually shorted or make the short seller squeeze around this triangle at the market open. And if we just held the 45, we could have had a different scenario and we went around the 55 at least and beyond 40-day, but the price went down. So now let us go from now where the price will go. This is the most important thing right now. You asking yourself, Jesus, stop talking, man, you're talking too much. Tell us where the price will go, man. I hear you, I can feel you guys. For now, we have a little support has been tested around the 34.50, as we discussed in our live streaming. Before we finish our live streaming, we said the 34.50, it is the current support that we should reverse from. And of course, we reverse from it right now. So now we should hold of this level, break this resistance around the 39.50 in order to confirm that we have a buyer, and this will give us the 45 and beyond. So now we've got a most important level, two levels. The first one we already tested is around the 34.54, and the second one is the 31.48. And of course, this level we already talked about it from yesterday, not just today, but we talked about it from yesterday before the market closed. We said the bottom 31.50. So for now, guys, we should not go there. So if we go there is okay, we could have a double bottom, but for my opinion, if we hold the 34.50, we're gonna have a faster squeeze, and this means there's a chance that DJT will go in more in green side over the $40, which is the price target right now to hold over in the coming days before Friday, over the $40 or around the orange line, the first line. That's why I have this dotted line, guys. This is the alert for DJT to break and of course give us a confirmation that we're gonna have a V-shaped recovery. As you can see here, we have a huge selling pressure and then we have a huge buying pressure. Here we have selling pressure and then we're gonna have a huge buying pressure and squeeze some more. So this is not usual, guys. For normal stock, we don't have this reaction. Some stocks go down like this, it never recover. It's like, take this for example. If you jump from 10 from the 10th floor or from the high from skyscraper, guess what's gonna happen to you? From 100 meters, you're gonna be killed instantly. But for DJT, imagine jumped from like 100 meters, 200 meters, then bounced back and jumped up again. This is crazy. This has never happened in real life. If you think about it, it never happened in real life. Normally, if you go and jump from high building, you're gonna be killed. But DJT, think of it as like a cat. If you jump, like make a cat jump like at least from 10 meters or 50 meters, not 100 meters. Even cats could be killed from 100 meters. I never saw this. I never thought about this actually. Let me know in comment section below. Is the cat can't survive from 100 meters if you just throw it from the high buildings? This is really interesting because everybody knows that cat have 7 lives. I don't know. So let me know in comment section below if someone saw a cat survive after jumping from 100 meters. Whatever. For DJT, let's say it is a magical creature who actually could survive the jump. So in reality, if something jump from high building, game over. You can't actually survive. Even if you survive, your legs will be broken and you have to be hospitalized and wait after a few months in order for your legs to be stabilized and you can move again. The same with the stock market, with the companies. If the price go down, free falling, Usually the case is go down, consolidate, and recovery before a jump once again and come back to the game. So hopefully we're gonna have the magic for DJT, which is by tomorrow jumping again fast and breaking the 39.54, which is the current resistance right now. We're gonna discuss DJT and many other stocks tomorrow on our live streaming around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So join us, guys. The link in the comment section below, and of course, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you never miss my future update. And share our live streaming and video, guys. Sharing is caring. Love is the answer for all the problems. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.